One of the biggest decisions in home buying is choosing between a condo and a single family home. Today, I'll break down the benefits and challenges of each option in the Triangle area so you can decide which best suits your lifestyle and budget. Condos are typically more affordable and offer lower maintenance because the homeowners association handles exterior repairs and landscaping. They often come with shared amenities like gyms and pools, making them ideal for those seeking convenience. However, be mindful of HOA fees and restrictions on customization. In contrast, single family homes provide more space, privacy, and freedom to modify your property. They're great for families or those who want a backyard and more control over their living environment. But this comes with the responsibility of maintaining the property and higher costs for repairs and updates. I'll help you weigh these options by reviewing long term goals, lifestyle needs, and financial plans. If you're torn between the two, let's have a detailed discussion. Call me today at 919 740 0379. We look forward to hearing from you.